Okay folks, line 2, it's probably the last time I'm going to use the train this week. Line 2 in my area will close until October 2026. They're building a new high-speed railway station in Damianpu. So it's gonna be a nightmare commuting into Chengdu. It's gonna be like the old days when I first moved here in 2012. No trains, just have to get the bus. They will have a replacement bus service, but I know at rush hour it's gonna be a nightmare. So yeah, it's the first time a line has actually closed down in Chengdu. Well, part of a line. And to be honest, they've never done maintenance work on this line. It's never broken down. It's never had a day where there's been delays. So yeah, it's all gonna end in 3 days' time. So from Chengdu administration, the trains will stop there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops will be closed.